What's good, everybody? It's the same day as the last video, but you know, we gotta separate the videos and work on something else. So today I'm going to work on actually mounting the front seat and probably the front valance that goes up on the front here. I might start working on remounting that too. But main thing is I'm gonna get the seat in and possibly the steering wheel changed. We'll put the Sparko in. So yeah, let's get on down into it. Alright, so I got all my pieces. That's one of them. There's my frame rail, or my seat rails. Just dropped the other one. So we got everything here. So what I'm gonna do is, you see how they're not really welded all too great. Like you see that one snapped off pretty easy. They didn't have it all welded all in that great. I'm gonna re-weld them, make them more solid, clean everything up and get them in the car. So yeah, you about to see me work on those. Let's get into it. Alright guys, little update. We got those pieces for one side ready. Now time to do this side. I will get back to you guys as soon as I'm done with the other side. Peace. Alright, so I got the frame rails all welded up good and solid, and I got them tacked into place where I want them. I'm going to finish welding them in and put the seat on, get it situated where I want it, get it welded on. Alright, I'm gonna put it on time lapse. Watch me go at it. Well, that's it, guys. That is all I'm gonna get to for now. I gotta buy some more flux core. So with that being said, you see how far we got. We almost got these completely welded in, and then we can get the seat actually mounted. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll be back with some more flux core. Alright guys, so where we left off, we had the seat rails. I was welding them up, the rails itself. Well, they are now welded in. Brackets are welded on. I know it looks like junk right now. Just wait, I'll clean them up. So now I got a seat fitted and seated where I want it. Only thing I got to do to it now is I got to bend this inward to clearance my arm for the shifter, which we'll be working on soon. And I got to take this off. Once I take that off, it'll look all right in there. It won't be all pushed up against the, well, I got a little bit of clearance, but it's close, very close. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm gonna do it off camera, but I'm gonna pull the seat out, grind all that stuff down, clean it up real nice, primer it, paint it, call it a day on that. So now it's time to take care of that. Let's get that swapped out, and I'll get right back to you. Alright, so we got a little bit of a problem. I can't use the Sparko. It's it don't have the right center hub. So the NRG's got to stay for now. So I'm gonna buy another steering wheel. And sometime soon, hopefully I can, and we'll get that swapped out. For now, seat's done. Like I said, I'm gonna primer it, paint it, get it all finished up. Got something to show y'all, a little sneak peek. That's something I'm gonna do to it. A sneak peek. Oh, that's all you get. That is all you get. I might have already test fitted too, and I know what I got to do for it, and it's gonna work. It's gonna look good, especially when I do the facelift. But for now, I'm gonna leave y'all on that. For now, Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and tune into the next one. Peace.